Let's start off by making the vitamin bowl. This bowl is very easy to make and is very creamy. First, start off by adding 5 tablespoons of strawberry yogurt, or you can use coconut yogurt. Next, add 1 banana. Then add 1 handful of frozen mango chunks and then blend. Next, add 1 soft apple. Now the way you're going to make your apple soft is by putting apple slices in a fruit bag and then adding a splash of lemon juice. Once you've done that, leave it in the bag for a few hours, and after a few hours you can add it to your blender. The main difference between a yogurt bowl and a smoothie bowl is that a yogurt bowl is a bit more runny than a smoothie bowl and is of course a lot more creamier since it has yogurt. And the best thing about yogurt bowls is that you don't have to buy a high-speed blender, you can just use mostly any type of blender. The toppings I'll be using for this yogurt bowl are almonds, mangoes and some granola. Once again, we're going to add 5 tablespoons of strawberry yogurt, or you can use Greek style yogurt. Then we're going to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey. Then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of frozen blueberries. And then finally 4 large frozen strawberries. And then all we've got to do is give it a shake and then blend. And for most yogurt bowls, this is the consistency you want, not too runny and not too thick. Also, if you haven't done so yet, please make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as to click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a brand new video, and that will make me really happy. Okay, so for the toppings of this yogurt bowl, I'm going to add 2 orange slices, some blueberries and some mixed nuts. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon. Bye!